How to fix Shadowban on TikTok. Now, this means your account is partially hidden or restricted by the algorithm without actual notice, and your videos pretty much stop showing up on the FYP page. FYP, or under hashtags, which will cause a big drop in views if you will notice, likes, and followers, even though your account is still active. Now, this pretty much happens as common causes like posting content that violates TikTok's community guidelines, using banned or misleading hashtags, spamming actions such as following or unfollowing too quickly or mass liking, copyrighted music or videos without permission, using third party apps or automation tools. So, to fix this, of course, you can try making sure if you are actually shadow banned, or maybe it's just the algorithm messing you up. You can try to stop posting as well for a few days and let the algorithm reset and avoid suspicious activity. Try to delete or make private any videos that might bait or break TikTok's rules. Check for inappropriate content or ban hashtags or copyrighted violations inside your videos. Or just go ahead and mainly try avoiding automation tools or bots. So disconnect those third-party apps that is linked to your account. So use only safe hashtags or original content. Post fresh videos using clean captions and sounds that follow TikTok's rules. And if none does work, you can try contacting TikTok support if the shadow ban lasts longer than at least 2 weeks. But that's pretty much the only information we can give. And for the recovery time, it usually takes between 3 to 14 days, depending on the reason for the shadow ban. But accounts with repeated violations may take longer or stay restricted. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all.